Hello, I'm Matt from Wondershare Virbo. Today, we are going to talk about how small business operates social media step by step. If you are a small business owner, struggling to make an impact on social media, look no further. First, figure out your target audience. Start by researching who they are, what their interests are, and what social platforms they use the most. Next, it's time to create engaging and relevant content. Share updates about your products, services, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into your company. But don't just stop there. Interaction is key. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and reviews. Building authentic relationships will make your business stand out. After that, all you need to do is keep consistency. Regularly posting on your chosen platforms will keep your brand top of mind. Develop a social media calendar to plan and schedule your content in advance. Also, don't forget about visuals. Eye-catching images and videos will help your posts get noticed in a crowded feed. Wondershare Virbo has more than 150 realistic AI avatars. Applying an AI avatar can definitely enhance your social media content with unique and high-quality visuals that reflect your brand identity. But here's the real secret sauce: embrace video content. Video is the king of social media. Go live, create tutorials, or share testimonials. Get creative and let your audience see the real you. Last but certainly not least, analyze your results. Use social media analytics to measure your reach, engagement, and overall performance. This will guide your future strategies and help you continuously improve. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe or follow us for more insights and tips.